so it is the start of a new week. Today is Monday, November the 30th. By the time you guys are seeing this, it's probably like a week or so later because I have been vlogging since like pretty much almost every day since Thanksgiving. And I'm not sure how much of those I'm gonna combine or put up separately. So it may be a little bit in the future when you're actually seeing this vlog. But it's actually Monday evening. It's about 8:30. I have been working like my regular 9-to-5 job all day until pretty much like 8 p.m. because I had some stuff that I really needed to and also wanted to just finish today so that tomorrow, starting tomorrow, December 1st, I can kind of manage my time a little bit better with all the videos that I want to post for December for Vlogmas and just regular holiday content. But I figured I would go ahead and pop on here and excuse my appearance. I feel like every time I get on the vlog, I look a hot mess. But today, I am gonna actually get some filming done. I'm gonna put some makeup on this face. I don't even know when the last time was that I did my makeup, but we're gonna do it today and just start prepping for December content. So I, first and foremost, really need some coffee. So let me turn this light on. And I'm just going to, I think, use my Starbucks cup and just make me like a really quick iced coffee because it's going to be necessary for me to get all the stuff that I need to get done tonight because it's already 8:30. So I'm just gonna set y'all up and let y'all see me make my little coffee real quick. If you've been watching my vlogs, you've probably already seen my vibe, but I'll still go ahead and set you guys up so that you can see. And then we're gonna go upstairs and get to work. Good. It's kind of, I don't know, I think I might have put a little bit too much creamer, but it's all good. We got our coffee, so I'm just gonna turn out these lights. Gotta conserve energy. And we're gonna go ahead and head upstairs to get to work. All right, guys, so this is how my beauty room is looking right now. It's not terrible. It could be worse. But really, I just have a bunch of stuff up here. This is from when I had my client. I pretty much just brought everything up from upstairs and then, brought everything up from downstairs and didn't put it away. And then I have just hair stuff and just boxes and PR, Forever Mood candles. Just a lot of stuff happening everywhere. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just clean up this space so that I actually have room to work. And then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so my little room cleaning moment turned into a stack it neatly in the corner moment. I'm sure we've all been there before, but honestly at this point it has been an hour. It's 9:30 now. It was 8:30 I think when I first started, and if I really try to get into actually organizing all of this stuff, it's gonna be ridiculously late before I actually get around to filming. And I really want to start filming before I get tired, because then there's a very high chance that it won't get done today, and I have other videos that I need to film tomorrow, so I really need to get these videos filmed today. So this is what we're working with over here in the corner. Nice and neatly stacked. Everything over here is cleared off so that I don't have a bunch, except over there. That's stuff that I plan to put in a giveaway box. So yeah, I just have that stacked over there, but outside of that, this is cleared off, so we have a nice and neat background, and then we'll just deal with this when we deal with it. So yeah, out of sight, out of mind. Nobody will know except for you guys, of course, when you watch this vlog. And for today's video, these are all the products that I have sitting out over here to use. So we got some Rimmel, we got some hard candy, which I heard that this is supposed to be a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip, which I have sitting over here. But yeah, the stuff in this tray is what I pulled out to use. So we have some e.l.f., we got some Black Radiance, L'Oreal, Kiss. I have not tried this yet. I'm going to try it out in today's video. Physicians Formula, more Rimmel London. So yeah, can you guys guess, just based off of those few things that I showed you, what I'm going to be filming today? Hey guys, so I just finished filming. This is the look I ended up creating, a little festive holiday moment. So I just wanted to pop on here and give you guys a quick little update, let you know I did in fact film like I said I was going to. I filmed 2 videos, this tutorial, and also my Sephora VIB sale haul, which is probably already up whenever you guys are watching this video. So just wanted to quickly pop on here, and it was kind of, I had a situation happen with my foundation. You guys can probably see that it's not quite meshing and matching my neck. And y'all hear my dog. My husband just got home, but yeah, that was kind of a whole debacle. I did my best to make it work, but you guys will see, you know, how that all played out in the video. But I really loved how the eyes came together, so I decided to just keep on going with it and finish filming it, and you know, I'm gonna post it. But yeah, I use all products under $10 for this look, so whenever I edit it and post it, you know, you guys will be able to see it. Like I said, it may be up whenever this vlog goes up, possibly it may not be, but either way, if it is, I will link it for you guys either in the cards or down below. And yeah, like I said, my husband just got home, so I'm gonna go ahead and go downstairs. He just came from a video shoot that he had today, so I'm gonna go and sit and chat with him and dump this footage. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here today, because I feel like I'm probably not gonna get too much else done since it's already like 1 o'clock in the morning. So thank you so much for watching today's vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one.